Good morning everyone. In today's video of marketing, I am going to discuss the last topic in session 1 of unit 1. The name of topic is exchange process in marketing. So what is exchange? As we know, exchange means adla badli, means something we are giving to someone and something we are taking in response. That exchange process. So same is written over here. Exchange is the act of obtaining a desired object from someone by offering something in return. Simple. Exchange is the act of obtaining a desired object from someone by offering something in return. Marketing works through exchange process. Okay, exchange process is simply when an individual or an organization obtain and satisfy a need or want by offering some money in exchange of products or services. So what is exchange? Exchange process is simply when an organization or individual obtain and satisfy a need or want by offering some money in exchange of product or services. So usually we also do the same. We go to a shop, purchase something and we give money in return of it. And similarly, shopkeeper does the same thing. Shopkeeper takes money from customer and give product to the customer. So that's exchange process. For example, we go get a haircut. We go get a haircut at a salon. Okay, we pay for the haircut. The money paid in lieu of the service taken is an exchange process. Simple. Means we have gone to a haircut shop, to a salon, and we got a haircut and we paid money. That's exchange process. This exchange process extends into relationship market. Yes, always remember one thing. Exchange processes finally develop or evolve into relationship market, and we enter into exchange relationships all the time. With relationship marketing, the process is to build a long-term relationship with the customers. Yes, very important thing. It is very important to have long-term, means very good relation for long time, लंबे समय के लिए relation बनाना with customers. It is very important because if any company is having many customers, then only it can get success in market. As we know, nowadays customer is the king, or we can say customer is the god. So if customer satisfaction is there, we will have profit in organization. So it is very good to maintain long-term relationship with customers. So relationship marketing helps to build a long-term relationship with customer. In the above example, if we are satisfied by the haircut service, we may intend to take more services from the same salon. Yes, and intend to become a permanent customer with the salon. Yes, very right. It means with exchange. If we did exchange with salon, we went to salon shop and we got a haircut and we paid money. After that, if we are liking that service provided by salon, we will go there again and again and we will become a permanent customer. After that, we will have a long-term relationship with them. So it's called relationship marketing, and we will become a permanent customer. So by delivering value to customer, a relationship with customer is developed. So marketing is earning profit by building relationship with customer. Yes, marketing is all about earning profit with satisfying customer through satisfying needs and wants. The same can be applicable for a product too. Yes, marketing is simply to sell and provide good quality products to fulfill customer needs and to provide customer satisfaction. Marketing is all about providing customer satisfaction by providing good products and services to customer. So exchange process means something we will give, something we will take. After that, we will be in the relationship with customers, and it will call relationship marketing. So to maintain customers, to have a good relationship with customer, and also to provide customer satisfaction is the main and final aim of marketing activity. So this session is over. Afterwards, some knowledge assessment 1, some fill-ups are given. Just practice them for understanding. Okay, these are very important. These kind of fill-ups can be made as MCQ, multiple choice question. Same, we can format. We can also make questions like MCQ by these films. So always practice knowledge assessments given in the last of session. Okay, thank you for listening. Just go through each and every video and each and every concept I have taught. Afterwards you will be able to understand every concept in marketing. Thank you for listening. Next session I will start another video.